Hey, what's up, guys? Today I got a special for having been posting for 7-8 months. So I got a special. I'll be reviewing these applicator pads, detailer pads. Very excited about this video, guys. I'm just kidding, y'all. We're reviewing a laptop. Let's get it. Hey, what is up, YouTube? DzDaBeaSt over here. Back at you guys out of the video. It's been so long, too long. It's been about 7 or 8 months since I posted a video on this channel. Pretty stupid of me. I don't know why it took so long of a break, but one of the biggest downsides is I'm trying to get better at these things. I'm trying to practice of how to make better content, better videos, get some better equipment for you guys, and yeah, hopefully we can make some better YouTube videos, better content, and I'm going to try to post videos from now on, guys. But yeah, today is an unboxing video. Just now purchased a laptop from Walmart, so it's HP-15, upgraded from my old laptop. I have a Flyer Red, so pretty excited about this laptop. Let's do this unboxing video, guys. If you guys are interested in seeing the laptop and the specs, if you guys might want to pick one up for a decent price, then stay tuned. Let's get right into it, guys. So yeah, guys, I bought a HP-15 notebook laptop. Has a AMD Ryzen 3 processor, which is like 2.50 gigahertz, I believe. So it should be not bad. Has a Radeon Vega 3 graphics card. Only 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the complete downside of this laptop. If I had I believe I never tested yet. But I believe with a higher gigabytes of RAM, this could be an awesome laptop. So we're gonna check it out and see how that goes. But yeah, it has 1 TB of hard drive, so plenty of storage there. It's a 15.6 HD full display. Has Windows 10, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Has a webcam, and that's so much I could pretty say so far. I mean, I read some reviews about it. On display at Walmart is where I got it at. It looks like a pretty cool laptop. It is an upgrade for me. I was using a Flyer Red one, which was pretty slow. I used to get the job done, but pretty excited to see how this one goes. But yeah, let's get right into the unboxing, guys. So yeah, guys, this is the packaging. HP laptop PC, beautiful design to do it all. Supposedly it says AMD Ryzen 3, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yep. Responsive and reliable performance. Alright, guys, we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. First, I'm gonna clean up off my desk. Got a bunch of junk on here. Move some things out of the way. It's like my gaming setup, so a bunch of stuff on there. Wireless keyboard I made a video about a while ago. Alright, guys, let's get right into it. So, out of the box, got some kind of paper, some instructions. We'll get right into that later. Just a laptop, nothing too fancy, looks like. Some papers and bullshit. The best thing you get out of packaging is just a bunch of papers and stuff. So excited for that. Looks like we got the adapter for it, charger. Alright, get into the best part. It's pretty well packaged, protective. It wiggles around, it won't get in. Alright, so here's the laptop. Just take this plastic off. HP seal. And here it is. HP. It's like a kind of like a matte black, but it also has kind of like a shine to it. It's pretty plasticky. Nothing too fancy. But personally, me, I don't like the real glossy stuff like my Flyer Red. It was too shiny to me, and it'll get like handprints dirty really quick. So opening it up, got this screen protector cloth thingy. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy to open up. Like I was saying, it looks really nice. I like it a lot. 5.6 full HD, so it's a large display. See, pretty quiet typers. It's a focus. It is a AMD Ryzen 3. Can't really get the focus here, but yeah. Radeon Vega graphics. Specs here. For the looks of it, style. Not much to see. Just kind of has like a, I don't want to say carbon fiber, but it has like a kind of similar, as you can see, like a pattern to it. I think it's pretty nice. Open and close is easy. Yeah, let's power it up and get right into it, guys.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Bad.
Use your voice or the keyboard.
Alright guys, we're finally in. It did take a bit to get loaded up and everything. I kept asking questions and stuff to get started. No normal things. Hush! To get started and everything, so we're in, so let's get into it. Get off this. Let's go straight to the specs. Settings, system. Oops. Go down to about. I mean, the response times and everything seems not bad so far. Oops. Okay. So yeah, like I said before, you can just see it has an AMD Ryzen 3 2200U with a Radeon Vega mobile GFX 2.50 gigahertz. So we should put some pretty good enough speed. So it could be a very powerful laptop. I never really tested anything yet. This is about it. I just now loaded up. I went straight into the settings right now, but a 2.50 Ryzen 3 should be pretty powerful. I guess the biggest downfall of it, you guys can see that very weak 4GB of RAM. Here at least 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM to get a pretty fast working PC, but I do believe this one will be, at least even like this, will be a lot better than my last laptop. It was only pushing 2.16 gigahertz of processor speed, so this should be pretty good. That's about it for the specs. No touchscreen. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna download Fortnite and see how long it takes to download, and just try to play it just to see how does it work. If it's worth buying this for gaming, whoever's out there looking for something like this for gaming, see if it's worth paying the money for it. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, we're installing Fortnite. It's going by pretty quickly. I just clicked on it a few seconds ago and it's already half done. Yeah, we're gonna let that load, and then we're gonna try to get into some gameplay, see if it would even work at all or even load, but I'll get right back to you guys. As you can see, guys, it's not so good for gaming. It's pretty laggy, and the graphics are very crappy. I actually just got a kill, so it's kind of playable, but very terrible. Like, I tried this on my Flyer Red laptop, and I couldn't even move or anything. So this one, you can move, you can kill people, but pretty much have like a slight lag and just very crappy quality, so it's even worse than mobile. So I don't know who would want to play like that. Definitely not me, but if you could do it, if you could take these graphics and the slowness, I'm trying to get this cover here. It's not good. I'm trying to connect my controller to the laptop. Try building. So yeah, guys, as you guys seen, it is playable. I'm actually very surprised how well it plays. Like, it's not great, it's not perfect, it's definitely not gonna be perfect. Yeah, you're playing on 4 gigabytes of RAM. With even 4 gigabytes of RAM, I'm more than surprised that it's even playable. I thought it was gonna be kind of like my Fire Red laptop, which was not playable at all, but it's actually playable. It kind of feels like playing on mobile, but mobile is actually definitely more like smooth, but it's definitely playable. Like, I dropped 7-8 kills just now, surprisingly, but it's just very bad quality, and of course you have to play on low settings. Play on high settings, just it won't probably even load up, so you need to play on very low settings, and it's playable. You can get kills, you could do your thing, but would I really recommend it? Not really, because it's just, the quality is just everything. Like, you might as well just play on mobile, you know, but for those Fortnite grinders that just don't care how they're playing it, then go right for it. But yeah, maybe tomorrow to try to edit some videos on this, see how smoothly it works. I'm pretty sure it'll work way better than my last one, but we'll see how that goes. We'll try a different couple video editors and softwares, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, to the laptop. The fonts are pretty large on here, though. That's pretty cool. And there's a big SD cards. There's like 3 USB ports, HDMI port. Overall, it's a pretty solid laptop, and the price range, guys, at Walmart they're listed for like $350, $360, but sometimes online you get better deals. Sometimes the prices are different online, like rollbacks and stuff, so look into it, guys. I'll leave the link down below. Yep. And that'll wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please smash that like button, guys. It'll mean a lot. I know it's been a while. It's been 7-8 months since I posted a video, but I'm back. I got some new equipment, and I'm gonna try to post videos daily. I'm gonna be grinding, so if you guys like these type of videos, and if you guys like to see more unboxing stuff, and yeah, just please hit that subscribe button. Show me some support. I appreciate it. I mean a lot. Let's grind, man. Let's try to get the 200 subs. Again, if you guys, I'll leave the link down below of the laptop if you guys want to cop it. But like I said, it's an HP-15 notebook. Has Windows 10s installed. It's a Ryzen 3 AMD. It pushes like 2.50 gigahertz, which is it's pretty quick for a laptop. And yeah, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the only thing that really sucks about the laptop. But if you guys don't mind that too much, it's a solid laptop. It's really good. I don't recommend it for gaming because it only has 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it's pretty low. But for daily usages and stuff to get through, you need a regular notebook for pretty much anything else. Like, it's even pretty solid for video editing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really good for video editing. Because like I said, I used to edit videos on my HP Flyer, which only had 2.16 gigahertz and 4 gigabytes of RAM, which was just, it's pretty low, but you used to get the job done. But sure this one's gonna run more smoothly. I'm actually gonna edit this video on this laptop, so see how that goes. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Notifications on. Like this video. Please subscribe. It'll mean a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what you guys thought, and if you guys want to know anything else about the laptop that I might have left out for some apparent reason, but I'm pretty sure I got everything. But yeah, guys, link will be in the description of the laptop. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Let's get it.